Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create animated handwriting text or doodles on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project. And then I'm going to go to the CapCut library and I'm going to add black background. Okay, for example, I'm just going to add this one to my project. And then we can go to the text and then select the draw. And you can choose the type of the pen you want to use. I'm just going to use this one and I'm going to choose like the purple color, and then we can draw. But don't forget to take screen recording of this drawing. Wait, I'm just going to delete it. Okay, don't forget to record your screen, and then you can draw on this black background. Okay, just like this guys, and then click on the check mark and you can stop the recording, and then you're going to close this project and you can create new project again and add the video you want to edit. For example, I'm just going to add this video to my project and I'm going to add the animated handwriting text or doodles to this video. We can go to the overlay and then select the add overlay, and you're going to add your handwriting video. Okay, this one, and then I'm just going to crop the video. Wait, I'm going to split it as well. Okay, I'm going to go to the crop menu. We can go to transform, select resize, and then you can crop the video like this. Right, guys. Alright, I think it's done. I'm going to check it guys. Okay, and then I'm going to blend this video to my first video. Okay, perfect. But I need to make it bigger. I'm just going to place it right here, and then we can go to the splice menu to blend the video. Okay, go to splice and then you can choose lighten. Okay, and this is the final result, and you can speed up the video if you want. Just go to the speed and I'm just going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create animated handwriting text or doodles on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.